It's Tuesday, September 7th, 2021. I'm going to do my recap. Just came back from vacation and I made 879 bucks. So, not a good day. I mean, maybe in the P&L it's not a terrible day, but the execution side of things wasn't good at all. Falling back into my mistakes a little bit, and I mean, we'll just take a look at it, but definitely not proud with my performance today. So okay, we had a match today as my main candidate. There were other stocks in play, but nothing really promising. I mean, PDD was also there. Let's see, PDD was also there. NIO, okay, look, NIO I didn't have, but seemed, yeah, it moved at least. AMC I was looking at too. This could have been a better trade, but at the end of the day, I stuck with Match, right, with Match.com, MTCH, and it was a good setup. I just didn't again take the L, right? Take the L when I should have taken it. I instead held on to the trade for way too long, and it almost cost me a lot of money, right? So, let's see. The good news is, it's a 15-day win streak right now. So since August, I mean July, I lost a little bit of money. Not not the best. I have like 5K this day on July, but August started. I decided to really create better options for myself. Not better options, but like make it, develop my business again and stuff, right? And yeah, I mean it's a 15-day win streak, which is the most that I've had. My longest was 10, and I think it was in November, right? 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you know, since August, 15 days straight making money, not bad at all. It's if you look at the detail, that's 13,352 bucks. Not bad, right? I mean, not bad, but whatever. Let's take a look at what happened today. So again, it was two trades in match. The first one was pretty good, although I made a little bit of a mistake. I didn't want to get out, and the second one was just absolutely terrible, and it almost cost me, to be down this amount of money, if not even more, right? So again, it's above R5, set up above the Camarilla pivot point. So I was waiting to get in the second first minute candle. So what I want to see is a green candle maybe, and then a breakdown, right? So that's exactly what I did. I went short 400 shares at 158.29. So I got in. No, no, no. Yeah, I went short at 160.41. That's it. I went short 160.41. Yeah, I went short at 160.41. So I would have liked to get short at 161, but yeah, this candle just rejected, right? So I got in at 160.41, so that's right around here. And I partialed 2 minutes later at 9:32. I partialed at 158.29. So the thing is, I thought I had the order since order. I thought I had full order since order, but I didn't realize. So I want to take a little bit of partial here and let the rest run. I didn't do that, and I just got out and I made 850 bucks just right off the bat. So hey, there we go. I'm 2 minutes in. I'm already 850 bucks up, and yeah. Now, if you look at the rest of the day, I finished at 11:37. So that's 2 hours and 5 minutes after. I only was able to make 30 bucks more than what I started at. And that is just not good. I'm honestly like my head hurts, I was just staring at the screen and just not following the best practices, right? So what happened later is I went in again at okay, so at 9:48 I went in again 400 shares 158.57. Um Pardon me. Yeah, I went in at 158.47, 9:48. So that's right around here. Yeah, that's right around here in this candle. So, this would have been a really good entry and I missed it, right? Look, it bounces off this level off of the pre-market and also at VWAP. So that I was looking at that entry and I didn't get in. So that cost me a little bit, but I got in at 158.57, 158.63. And oh no, no, sorry. I went in at 150 at 942. At 158.56 at 942. So that's in this candle right over here. Okay. So this thing comes up and then I just get out at the break even. Basically, I didn't want to give back any money, but then this gets me into this like bad just chasing the stock, right? Because then after that I got in again at 158. So you see that's a worse price now looking for this breakdown. Then I cover again, I lose a little bit of money, and then I cover one more time and I lose a little bit more. So at this point I gave back $140. I was up 710, and then this is when the big mess started, right? So I went one last time short at 157.62 just for the break. So that's right around here, right? 958. So I guess that's like right around here. And then this thing just starts coming up. And then this thing just rips up higher over here. And I'm like, holy shit, this is great. This is great. So I mean, let's take a look at this, So I went short. I went short right over here, covered, perfect. I'm not perfect, but pretty cool, right? Then I went short. Let's see if we can get this. You see then here I went short, I cover here, I go short, I cover, and then I go short, again, and then this thing just breaks out, and I'm almost down like 2,000, like more than $1,000. So again, big mistake. What I should have done is this should have been my exit point. I would have lost money, but that should have been my exit point because I would have avoided all this big loss. That's exactly what happened to me last time in my last trade in mRNA, right? I already had made money, I think, or maybe I lost a little bit here. Okay, I went long, lost a little bit, not big deal, and I went short here, got out, got in, partial, made money. I was up $778 here, and then I went short one more time, and look at what happened here. I went short one more time. I added to the losing trade, and then I got out, and then I took another trade here. So I lost in $1,900, and I could have lost 3,000. So it's again the same problem. What I should have done is put my exit right over here. I would have still been green. It would have been a small green day, but I would have still made money. Why put myself through all this fucking drama, And okay, then I was able to recover it. I did well. Went long. This was a really, really good trade, right? Covered, went long again, sat through this, and partial one more time, and I was able to recover the money because I was down $1,900. As you can see here, but again, not good practice. It's not good behavior. And here I have, my business plan, right? And I adjusted a little bit I did adjust a little bit the grading, right? So now it's going to be off of 12. I'm going to ultimate a little bit more, but this is the most important. Every trade has a stop loss in place that is a bait. I didn't do it today. It didn't have a stop loss. It wasn't a bait. And honestly, it should carry a bigger toll than these other rules per se, right? Not per se. It should be a 4. Letting the trades run until that. It's really important. That's a 3. Being patient. 1. No reversal trades. This is very important because I lose a lot of money in these reversal trades and only take playbook trades. Very important too. So again, just not good behavior, right? So as you can see here, I mean, you cannot see it's not calculated yet, but just not good. I let this whole thing play out, and look, I had to wait all this time to make the money back instead of like, look, what a great opportunity I would have had here, right? If I would have just waited a little bit and got out, maybe I would have gotten out here. It would have been a bad loss. I would have been up like only $200, but still, I would have been able to get in here again, and have a really, really good trade. That's if I would have gotten in here, 400 shares or 800 shares like I was holding because I added again, that would have been above 800. It would have been like $2,000 or so. And again here, I got out. I took the last partial right over here in this level, and look, I missed out on another $800 on a whole another point. So just goes to show again how important it is to just fucking exit, put the stop loss, exit, and that's it. I mean, and that's my biggest downfall, right? So hey, it's up to me to try to fix it. It's up to me to try to really you know, really get it right. It's up to me to really get it right. All in all, you know, I'm in these last 15 days, an average of $890 a day. Number winning train 62%. It went down obviously with these last few days where I screwed up here. Again, I had another nice winning day and I screwed up here again. So, I mean, these 2 days I was on vacay. This was a big mistake too with Foot Locker, not letting it run. So, yeah, these few days I was on vacation. I think this is the last day before I went on vacay that I traded. Another day here where I almost lost money. And then so there's a few days there where close calls again here, make it all, lose it back, and make again. Yeah, no, right, make the money, lose buck, but I should just trade the first 10 minutes. Fucking A. I should really just trade the first 10 minutes of the day. So, what I'm going to do, TradeStation just came back, and because we weren't able to import trades because of an update and stuff. So now we're able to do that again. So, what I'm going to do later is just tag all my trades again, right, to see what's going on. Yeah, tag my trades, gross P&L, playbook trades. Obviously, it's the biggest target reach trend trade. Yeah, no stop in place. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's my recap for today. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see if match is gonna. R5 is pretty far away, so I doubt it gets there. Who knows? Now it just bounced at the lows, and it came back up again a little bit. See on the 5 minute how it's looking. Yeah, May. This is a hammer. It may come up a little bit again, but yeah, it's not good that I sat through all this pullback, put myself again in a losing position. Just not good behavior. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow, adjust that again. I've been on vacay for 3 weeks actually. I was out for 3 weeks. So yeah, 1, 2, and 3. I traded 4 days on when I was on vacation, but those last 2 days were like close calls. So I just decided to, not trade anymore. But you see, these 2 weeks, they were pretty decent weeks. Pretty decent weeks. So let's come back. $879. It says 874. Not a big deal. Let's come back and I want to step it up again. I want to trade with more size, but if I don't, if I'm not obeying my business plan, I just cannot do it right. So gotta stay focused on these 5 rules, and if I stay focused on these 5 rules, the rest is just gonna happen. So yeah, that's the recap for today. I'll probably, yeah, most likely, I'll upload another video tomorrow. Okay, have a good one.